Hello, family. It is I, back again with another greedy lady healthy diet meal. Well, today I decided to make me a grilled chicken sandwich. Let me share with you my ingredients. For my bun, I am using iceberg lettuce, one of the crispiest lettuce that I really love biting into and just having that crunch. Oh, it's so delicious. I love the crunch of iceberg lettuce. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I also grilled some chicken breasts, as you can see, my chicken breasts. And for this sandwich, I am going to be using tomato drizzled with lemon juice, some fresh cucumber for my pickle, and I spiralized some apple onions. The apple onions, that's going to be my onions. The apples right there, that pow right there, that delicious pow. And they have also been drizzled with lemon juice. And I also have some Swiss chard for some more lettuce, for my sandwich. Yes, family, I have a healthy, delicious, low-calorie chicken sandwich for today's meal. And I'm so happy to share this with you. Family, thank you once again for following along and supporting me by watching my videos and also inspiring me to keep going and to share my ideals. And thanks to the YT supporters for all of you that continue to come and support my channel. I really appreciate you all and thank you very much. In this video, I'm also going to be sharing a little update what's happening on my balcony garden. I still can't wait to receive my plants that I ordered. It might be a little while, but I'll be waiting, excitedly waiting for my order, and I'll share that with you guys when I receive it. So once again, thanks for watching, and you too have a healthier meal diet. Take care of you. Bye for now. Family, I'm back just to share that I cut my sandwich in half. Isn't it nice? I cut it in half. You can see what's on the inside. You can see the onion apple, the meat, the tomato, the lettuce, the cucumber pickle. Yum! And I also just set a lemon slice on top of each sandwich to give it a little juicing, to bring out some flavor. That's my salt. And I've also added on my plate, I've changed plates. I've also added some papaya and a few grapes. On top of the papaya, I sprinkled a few chia seeds. Those are for the omega-3. Very healthy. So yeah, I just wanted to share that I cut my sandwich in half. The first time I ever cut the lettuce sandwich in half. I'm getting pretty good at this stuff, guys. Making lettuce meals, replacing it for bread. In case some of you don't know, I am allergic to grains, so I don't eat bread, tortillas, any kind of bread. I tried the grains and they just break me out. Maybe I haven't tried everything, but so far what I have been eating, I'm allergic to it, so I use vegetables for my bread instead. And I have no problem with that because it's not like this is my first time doing this. So I'm very used to eating lettuce for bread. Okay, I'll be back, guys, with an update of my balcony garden. I'll see you in a minute. So far, guys, my propagated succulent is still perked up, looking good. as far as my oregano and the mint, still giving it a few to perk up and catch hold. And I'll be back in a few days and do an update or see how it's doing. Check how that's doing. Here's my original. And updating the basil that I got from the store. It looks like it dried all up. Excuse me. I don't see any signs of life yet, but I'll keep checking it. As far as my OG basil, it's doing pretty good. The cinnamon basil that I cut, it's already grown new leaves. So that's a good thing. Cinnamon basil. Well, let me share my lemon thyme. Camera cut off. I'm gonna have to charge my camera up. But anyway, I'm gonna change the dirt in the lemon basil and come back and do an update on that. These other plants seem to be doing good. Oh, I kept forgetting to do the update on this. I took, as if some of you guys are new, this bucket had a bunch of oregano in it, and you can see I just planted this oregano and it's taking off, it's growing. Just poked it in the dirt, and I put some elephant plant jade in there, and they perked up too. They're doing good. So I'll be back in a few days and do another update on these plants and let you guys know what's going on. This is the original propagated elephant jade that I pinched off, and this is the plant that I'm propagating there, all the other elephant jade plants from. And on the inside of there looks like some of those baby mother of 1,000, and I also have a propagated starfish Sansevieria. Well, my camera keeps cutting off, so I guess it's time to go charge it. Hope you guys can hear. And this polka dot pink plant, I didn't think I was going to be able to grow a plant like this. Okay, that's it for now, but I am growing this plant. Yay for me. I'll see you guys in a minute.